Even Wookiees need a little love. Call now at 1-900.
Cops is filmed on location as it happens. All suspects are considered innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Say no to drugs, man. Look at this man. That's why you supposed to say no to drugs, man. This man gone out to smack, man.
No, it's crack.
Oh, crack. You heard what he said. No smack.
So, do you recognize any of these men?
I was hiding in the bathroom stall, so I didn't see his face, but I heard him. He was singing along to the music at the bar.
Do you remember what he was singing?
I think it was that song, I Want It That Way.
Backstreet Boys, I'm familiar. Okay. Number one, could you please sing the opening to I Want It That Way?
Really? Okay. You are my fire.
Number two, keep it going.
The one desire.
Number three.
Believe when I say.
Number four.
I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Now number five.
I never wanna hear you say.
Woo!
I want it that way.
Oh, chills. Literal chills.
It was number 5.
The damage you've done to yourself is way beyond anything else that can happen to you from me or any other judge that would be sentencing you in this criminal case. You are now a permanently convicted felon. Your family who loves you and supports you, I only want to use the word forgive because valuable friends in high places, elected public officials, people in the media, you've embarrassed them. You have to live with that. I don't know if those relationships can be repaired. You become toxic in your own workplace. Your career future is uncertain at very best. It was really on a rocket ship to success, and now you've turned yourself into riches to rags. And it's so unfortunate. Your very name has become an adverb for lying. And I cannot imagine what could be worse than that. Trying to consider who you are as a person, how you got here, how somehow you strayed away from your family values. You let that dark, narcissistic, selfish, and arrogant side come out. And you persisted with it for years on this case. I'm fashioning the following sentence, and here's your sentence. I'm sentencing you to 30 months felony probation in the probation of the state of Illinois. You can report by phone. I know that if you're going to try to make a living and do some of the things you do, you may have to go to other places, New York and Los Angeles. You can do those things. You will pay restitution to the city of Chicago in the amount of $120,106. You are fined $25,000, which is the maximum fine. And you will spend the first 150 days of your sentence in the Cook County Jail. And that will start today, right here, right now.
No, I would just like to say to Your Honor that I am not suicidal. That's what I
Okay.
I'm not suicidal.
Okay.
I am not suicidal. I am innocent, and I am not suicidal. If I did this, then it means that I stuck my fist in the fears of Black Americans in this country for over 400 years and the fears of the LGBTQ community. Your Honor, I respect you and I respect the jury, but I did not do this. And I am not suicidal. And if anything happens to me when I go in there, I did not do it to myself. And you must all know that.
You don't know how it feels to be stalked. You don't know how it feels, alright? You don't know how it feels for somebody to just want you to die and for them to just dedicate every second of their life to you dying.
I respect you, Your Honor. I respect your decision. Jail time.
From the office of the governor, all pleas for clemency are hereby denied. Prepare. 4, 3, 2, 1, now!
That's all, folks.